Hello guys, I'm Nathan Skate. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the RAM in the computer. The requirements for the process is you should have a screw driver to enable you access the system unit of the computer. First of all, you unscrew the screws that's attaching the case to enable you access the internal parts of the system unit. This is the process on how to remove. Second, you slide the case while you enter or access the internal parts of the system unit. Second, to locate the RAM where it's positioned in the system unit. It's normally located in the motherboard of the system unit. And then after locating, you remove the clips that's attaching that's holding it to the motherboard. And then you unclip it, and then we push out or we remove it out. This is the memory or the RAM of the computer. And when we are installing it, we should install it back to to its location. That's the slots. And then we close the clips to attach it to the motherboard. And that's how to remove and reinstall the RAM of the or the or the memory in the computer. And then we close the case. And we close the screws using the screwdriver. That's all for today. Thank you guys.